He's got it.
That's a workout.
Yeah, it's more of a workout.
Oh gosh. Guys, I just had one. Oh, missed him. Little guy. Half pounder. And break off the 5 pounder. See? Oh. Jeez, that thing knocked that bait. Thing absolutely annihilated it. Holy cow. Okay guys, fish number 1, small bass. Barely hooked him. He's so small, like literally like probably not even a quarter of a pound, but there he is. But let me tell you what, that fish was just slowly reeling it, and bam, he knocked that bait. This next spot is also a pretty good spot. Quite a few big bass right here. I've seen quite a few big bass too. It's a really good all-around spot. Always bass right here. Will they be willing to bite? Oh, guys, trout like that big sitting here. What the heck? What the actual heck? Like a 20-inch trout just sitting here. There he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Oh, 2 of them, 3 of them. They're steelhead. They're literally steelhead. They're like 30-inch steelhead. Oh my gosh. Guys, there's steelhead in this lake. Washington Department of Fish and Wildlife stocks them in random lakes, and this one might be one of them. Out of all the places, he's in this really bassy spot. Interesting. I think he would be in the deeper, colder water. He's right here, guys. Big trout. Big steelhead trout. Look at him. Oh my gosh. He is massive. He was sitting 1.5 feet in front of me too. Dang it. Giant steelhead. Dang. There's giant steelhead swimming around. I just can't get over that. At my local lake. Oh, we gotta come back here with spinners or something. Next time we come back, I gotta bring spinners. I saw one yesterday here, but it wasn't that big. It was probably 16 inches. One that I saw yesterday. I mean, this one's a good 30 inches, I'd have to say. He's got it. Oh my gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh, I just had the steelhead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Did you guys see my line? I just saw him darting after it. Oh my gosh. Thing is an absolute monster. Oh, there we go. Got one. Got him. That was sick. Guys, that was absolutely sick. It's the smaller of the 2 that sit here. This one, probably close to 1/2 pound. And there's like one that's like probably around 2 pounds. Anyways, nice little fish.
Oh, got him.
You got him?
I got the big one.
All right.
I got the big one. I got the big one.
Yeah, that's him.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
You want me to grab him for you?
Yeah.
All right.
You can.
Yeah. Oh, that's a different one.
It's a different one?
Yeah.
Grab that motherfucker if you can.
He's not bad. Come here, buddy. You got him on your little ice rod?
Yeah.
That's ridiculous.
Dude, I got him.
All right, don't want to grab the line, so.
Whereabouts is he? No.
Grab him.
Woo!
There he is.
Yeah, dude. Now that right there is an eater. I'm gonna weigh him too. Thank you
Yeah.
for that.
That's a nice fish, dude.
Assist. Dude.
Oh, wait. Yeah, I have caught this guy before. Yeah, this is the guy that's missing this part of his face.
Oh, is it? 'Cause
Yeah.
I seen the one had like it was like
Yeah, his
whole
upper
fucking
lip. Yeah.
lip was gone.
Yeah, but this guy is... He's gotten bigger since I caught him. Okay, guys, I came back for this fish that I hooked earlier. Or that I had nearly eat my bait earlier. Let's see if he's here. Just hope that little guy doesn't eat it. Here he comes. He's big. Oh my gosh, I had him. Oh my gosh. Dang it, and I screwed it up. There he is, got him. Let's go. Let's go. Got him. Nice bass there, guys. Okay, this is the smaller one. That big one's still down there. This guy's not bad though, probably a little over a pound, I would say. Yeah. That's worth coming out here for. Beauty. There he goes. Yes. All right, guys, that big one though. He is still lurking around down there. Oh my gosh, guys, there was just a giant bass sitting here. Oh, he's got it, he's got it, he's got it, he's got it. Okay, maybe it's not a giant, but he was a good fish. But that wasn't him that just took my bait. Oh, it was a fish though. There was a giant that just got spooked out from these things right below me. I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. Did you guys see that bass? Oh gosh. That was like a 3 to 4 pound bass. Just sitting there. Stalking a bluegill or a frog or something. Oh my gosh. He just waked. Big time. No. Alright guys, well I am getting soaked right now.